One of our key objectives with the Stanwell Asset Maintenance Company, SAMCo, is to spark future pathways for Queensland energy workers. Stanwell's Development Pathways program is giving our people the opportunity to apply the skills they've developed working on complex thermal power stations to renewable technologies.
In January 2023, 5 of our tradespeople took a short break from their roles at Stanwell's thermal power stations to travel to wind farms across Australia. They performed a series of up-tower gearbox repairs, working in the nacelle of the wind turbine that can stand over 100 metres tall.
Over the past 8 months, they've worked at 6 wind farms across 4 states, stripping down and reassembling more than 200 gearboxes and developing their experience working safely at heights.
I joined Stanwell's Development Pathways after finishing my apprenticeship. I saw it as a way of getting a taste of the renewables energy industry. 80% of Queensland's energy will come from renewables in 2035. It won't be long until renewable energy is just energy. And now I'm positioned for a long-term career in the renewables industry.
We'll be putting more people through our Development Pathways program each year. We'll be giving mechanical and electrical tradespeople hands-on experience and certified training at our wind and solar sites.
We're attracting people from within Stanwell as well as the broader energy industry who are ready to make that transition to renewables now. We're also seeing a lot of interest from commercial tradespeople from across Queensland, and they recognise that this will create jobs and opportunities for the communities in which they live.
If you want a bright future in the energy industry, check out Stanwell's Development Pathways program. Working on these wind turbines has been an incredible experience for me. It's amazing to look around and realise you're fixing a gearbox in the clouds. It's the kind of stuff you dream about. Stanwell's Development Pathways program has taken my career to new heights, literally.